In this video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a board in Monday.com so you can save time and keep your workflows consistent. It's a simple process that anyone can follow. Let's get started. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the board you want to duplicate. Next, click the three dots at the top right corner of the board to open the board settings menu. Then, go to More Actions from the drop-down list. This section contains additional tools you can use on your board. After that, click Duplicate Board to open the duplication options. Finally, edit the board name to something new and choose whether you want to copy just the structure with items, or everything including updates. Once you're ready, click Duplicate and you're done. Bonus tip: if you plan to reuse the same board layout regularly, consider saving it as a template instead. That way, you can start new projects even faster with one click. And that's how easy it is to copy a board in Monday.com. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and helpful guides. See you next time!